Adam Fierstein, why is Neoprobe the next big thing in biotech?
Hey, Greg. Neoprobe is developing a new agent that surgeons use to map and detect the spread of cancer to lymph nodes. It's called LymphoSeek, and right now it's at the FDA being reviewed for possible approval.
So is that approval decision expected soon?
Well, not really. Neoprobe only filed LymphoSeek for approval in August, but in the next 2 weeks, probably around October 10th, FDA is going to inform Neoprobe whether or not the LymphoSeek approval filing is acceptable or complete enough for review.
So why is this acceptance part of the process a big deal?
Well, because controversy has dogged Neoprobe's efforts to seek approval for LymphoSeek. Now, critics of the company, most notably a hedge fund short seller, have raised concerns that Neoprobe didn't study LymphoSeek correctly. Now, these Neoprobe bears believe that FDA is going to refuse to review LymphoSeek on these grounds. Now, obviously, Neoprobe and its supporters vehemently disagree, and they insist that LymphoSeek was studied correctly and that the FDA is going to continue to review the product all the way to approval.
All right, so I take it that this controversy has been affecting Neoprobe's stock price.
Yeah, absolutely. Normally the FDA acceptance of an approval filing is a routine matter, no big deal. It's only the final approval decision, yes, the drug is approved or no, it's not, that really matters. Now, for Neoprobe, however, I expect FDA's acceptance or refusal of the LymphoSeek application to be a stock-moving event. Now, uncertainty over the income of this outcome has definitely been an overhang on Neoprobe's stock price this spring and summer. That's why I'm alerting investors to watch for what happens on October 10th.
All right, so it's a big deal. Any predictions?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that FDA is going to accept the LymphoSeek filing. The shorts have some valid criticisms of Neoprobe, but I think they're overreaching here when they say the FDA won't even review LymphoSeek.
All right, so early this week, I see that Neoprobe executives put in place a 10b5 insider stock selling plan. Normally, insider selling is a cause for alarm. Should anyone be worried here about that?
I think the opposite is true in this case. The Neoprobe 10b5 plans, the insider selling plans here, won't become effective until after FDA accepts the LymphoSeek approval filings. So what this suggests to me is that the Neoprobe execs see this FDA acceptance as a value-creating event for the company and the stock.
All right, thanks a lot, Adam.